Today I am reviewing the Celestron StarSense Explorer telescope. If at any time you'd like to explore this telescope for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're a beginner eager to explore the night sky without the hassle of complicated setups or memorizing constellations, the Celestron StarSense Explorer DX 130AZ might just be the perfect telescope for you. This innovative telescope combines solid optics with smartphone technology, making stargazing accessible and fun for all ages. Let's start with what sets this telescope apart. It's StarSense technology. Unlike traditional telescopes where you have to manually hunt for stars or planets, this system uses your smartphone as a guide. Simply dock your phone into the telescope's cradle, launch the free StarSense Explorer app, and the app takes over as your personal celestial navigator. It uses the camera and sensors on your phone to analyze the star patterns in the sky above you, then guides you with on-screen arrows to locate stars, planets, nebulae, galaxies, and even star clusters. This smart approach means you don't need any prior astronomy knowledge to find the coolest sights. The telescope itself features a 130mm Newtonian reflector optical tube. This is a pretty substantial size for beginners. 130mm means it gathers plenty of light to provide sharp, vivid images. With this scope, you can expect detailed views of the moon's craters, the rings of Saturn, the cloud bands on Jupiter, and deep sky objects like the Orion Nebula or the Andromeda Galaxy. The optics have high reflectivity coatings that enhance brightness and contrast, making your viewing experience bright and clear, even when you're observing faint objects. Now, about ease of use. The StarSense Explorer DX 130AZ comes with an altazimuth mount featuring dual-axis, slow-motion controls. This lets you smoothly track your celestial target once you've locked onto it using the app. Moving the telescope horizontally and vertically is simple and intuitive, so even kids can manage it comfortably. The included Starpointer Red Dot Finder scope is a classic addition, but honestly, with the app guiding you, it becomes almost a backup. The package includes two eyepieces, a 25mm and a 10mm, giving you flexible viewing options. The 25mm is great for scanning wide areas of the sky or seeing large objects like star clusters, while the 10mm lets you zoom in on planets and lunar details with more precision. Another big plus is that this telescope is manual and doesn't require batteries or an external power source, which means you can take it anywhere and use it anywhere without worrying about charging or cords. The setup is straightforward, no tools needed, and the whole system is surprisingly lightweight and portable for its size. The StarSense Explorer app also enhances your experience by generating a curated list of the best objects to observe each night based on your location and the current time. Whether you're stargazing in the city or away from light pollution, the app helps you prioritize the most impressive targets visible in your sky. As a brand, Celestron is trusted worldwide and has been a leader in amateur astronomy since 1960. With this purchase, you get a 2-year US warranty and unlimited customer support from their expert team, which provides extra peace of mind for beginners. To sum it up, the Celestron StarSense Explorer DX 130AZ is a fantastic blend of traditional telescope quality and modern smartphone technology. It removes the frustration and complexity from stargazing, making it easy and exciting to explore the universe, even if you've never looked through a telescope before. Whether you want to explore the moon, track planets, or dive into deep sky wonders, this telescope gives you clear views and an interactive experience that's hard to beat for beginners and families. If you're ready to unlock the night sky and take your first step into astronomy with confidence, the StarSense Explorer DX 130AZ is definitely worth considering.